this is part 3 and this is final session for this Jaeger with OpenTelemetry use and Python sample code. I will be sharing the sample Python code in YML configuration in GitHub link on the same video, and Jaeger Docker Compose file as well, so that it will help you to set up your own and test it by yourself. So Python code we have set up, we have a receiver, we are not using pull. We will definitely cover in future videos where we will be pulling, scrapping the data from the source, different application, some source, and then pushing through process and exporting to the any tracing, Jaeger, Splunk, or Observability, or any endpoint, and whether it's signal, FX, stats, Jaeger, any sources. So we've seen the batching. Basically we will use sampling in future video, how we can use one resource tag. If you remember, we have inserted one component that was also, so we data normalization, we can add, you can mask some data, you can delete some traces, you can drop some traces, span even you can drop as well. So this is how you can control your data, do data massaging on that processor layer, and then finally export in any endpoint. This is the beauty of the observability OpenTelemetry Collector, and it's open source. And let's get into the final session where we were. So we were on the, let me run again so that just to recap. If I do this, definitely I will receive, yeah, I'm getting the data immediately. As a next step, what we have to do is we have to basically extend this Docker Compose file, and we can configure basically Jaeger as well. So let's do that without any problem. Here only we can configure. This is part of services, so collector we have configured, and then we can do this Jaeger as well here. And same thing, I can just copy, just to 1 second, just speed up. So we have image tag, okay, and then we have a command. Do we have a command? No, we don't need any config file as of now. In future video we will cover that. If you want, if you have some comments, please comment, I will cover those topic as well. Here I am putting Jaeger command because I will let you know why I am putting this. This is really needed. So port, same level ports. What ports we are going to utilize, that is important. So let's do one port. We can take 16686. That was we have used, if I remember, 16686, and then 14250. That is also required, and let's put for now 9411. I will let you know why it's needed. For now it's okay to have this. So you have ports not on Jaeger level, so you need an image and then this must be also change. You can put Jaeger tracing. You can get it from Docker Hub, all in one. I wanted to put latest. So Jaeger tracing, all in one. Hopefully this will be okay. Let me stop my Docker. Docker ps thing, and it's not allowed. Why it's not allowing? So let's find. So we have a collector agent, so maybe it's not on the same level. Let's see, it's same level now, and we have image, and the error is okay. So container name Jaeger, ports we have put it on same level of container image, so that's not a problem. So I don't see any other issues apart from that. Let's try that. Property Jaeger is not supported and allowed. Property have protected. It should work. Collector I have. Looks like, let me try. If it is Jaeger, image, that is not a problem. Container name, that is also not a problem. Ports, I have defined the ports, that's it. So and here we have a Jaeger tracing all in one. Latest, that's sure. Let's see. I think it's started. That's only the mistake. Indentation is very much important. So let me connect localhost. Yes, that's good. So it's connected. Let me generate some traffic, and we have application for generating traffic. So traffic will generate here in this section. You will see here the data processing, you can see here, and then the third layer, these data must be pushed, or if that is not available, then we have some problem. There are data available with the, but this is not what we have defined, some name and resource, you remember. And let's continue what we are missing here. Okay, so we have to update our YML file as well, because we have not set any exporter. That is also very much important here. That's basically we have to define an exporter, and then like logging we have Jaeger also defined here. We can put endpoint, that support IFB, and here it's not secure, that's for test. So Jaeger we have given the container name, remember, that's the reason we have given that, easily we can utilize, and nothing need to be touched here, only you just define Jaeger. So reload this configuration. Jaeger state is ready, that's good, let's proceed. So this child span, you can have more spans. That is not like I have posted only 2 span 0 and span 1. I will show you right away how you can expand the span, and then visualization will be very nice. So let's do that. Demo, right? You have get it. I will show you. So there is a 2 span, like span 1 and span 2 easily. Let's do very fast. Let's do that to complete this. So we have a tracing example. We have to, nothing to do is here we have to put print span 3, and it's part of span current span 3, and it's part of span 2. Yeah, that's fine. And then with let's try one more, so that it will be very nice. So let's try one more. I want as much as span 2 is done, span 2, span 3, and then span 4, it's dependent to, so this is current span 3 as span 3, and span 4, and that's basically we are putting span 4 message must be also change, span 4, span 5, and this is 5 5. Anything is miss. 5 5 4 4 2 2 3 3 4 4. Let's try. Anything I stopped? No. I will generate span 2, span 3. Little bit I'm delaying that basically. Span 4, all the span. And the demo which you seen in the Jaeger, that is coming from the here. So let's see if new span has been hitted. Yes, 5 span. You can see how it is, how much time it is taking each span. So demo span and then other spans are basically child of parent one. So that's how we can test this overall. So we'll connect with more videos with OpenTelemetries. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.